that vent was, well, blocked by all of this lint. So from our experience in the past, the last 4 times we've done this, dryer works fine afterwards. This is just at the opening of the vent here. If your Splendide washer dryer combo is not drying well, you have to clean out the lint out of this vent. I got an inspection camera here. We're gonna go down the vent here and see what's going on with the clog. We should be able to get all the way down into the wash drum. Now this is going down into the boot area, and it is heavily clogged. If you can see that little dark hole there, I'll pull the camera back here. See that little dark hole? That is the only spot that's letting air go through the dryer vent right now. This is dense, packed lint, and this is not the first time this has happened. Other signs that we see leading up to this boot clogging in the dryer is less airflow on the outside vent, excess moisture coming from the outside vent, and more lint coming out of the outside vent. Those three things usually correspond with this boot being clogged from our experience. We've cleaned this out multiple times now, so nothing new here. It builds up lint, and we've had this one in here for less than 2 years. So less than 2 years ago is the last time I cleaned this out. We have the Milwaukee inspection camera, and all the inspection cameras are fairly similar. They have some sort of display, controls, a camera that is flexible or on a flexible cord, and at the end of that there is a camera to look down the whatever you're trying to inspect with. This Milwaukee camera and other cameras too, they come with accessories. Like this has a little hook, and the hook will clamp onto the end of the camera here, and it's a really good tool. You can utilize it. It takes a little bit to get used to it, but once you master it, it can be very helpful. Now anytime I clip this little hook onto the end of the camera there, I do always take some Gorilla Tape and I try to wrap it around the camera and the hook. That way this hook doesn't pop off when you're trying to pull something, because it will fall off if it's not taped there. It holds on pretty good, but that tape really does help. I've been able to get lint out with this inspection camera and this little claw tool pretty successfully. Now this little claw tool, it's got a push button over here, and then over here. Yep, see right there? See that claw that comes out? Yeah, see that? Now these are very sharp little claws. They're good for picking up like nuts and bolts out of nooks and crannies, but this also does a good job of pulling lint out of that dryer boot. Now you have to be careful because those claws are so sharp that they get stuck on that rubber boot, and you could pull and pull and you could potentially rip the rubber boot. I'm very careful. I reach down, I don't open it up all the way, because if you do, I've gotten it stuck every single time. But if you open it up just a little bit and go in and just pick a little bit of lint out at a time, I've been able to utilize this tool. There's other ways you can get lint out of this boot, but between the inspection camera, the hook, and this little claw, and just reaching my hand down there, now it's a tight area, but just reaching my hand down there, and these two tools, I've been able to do this job successfully 4 times, over and over again. The very first time I cleaned this boot out, it was very difficult, and I don't even remember what I used, but these are the tools that I honed in on. They worked for me. I hope they work for you. At this point, you can see a difference in this vent area, this rubber boot. It's not perfectly clean yet, but now you can see more of the ridges in the rubber boot, and we're getting there. Let's go back to a before shot when we first started this project. See how it was just all lint, and I have the camera in almost the same location as I did on that first shot. And here you can see a lot more of those ridges in that rubber boot. We've removed a lot of lint so far. I have a little bit more to go. Ooh, a lot of lint. It's all lint. So here's all the lint we got out of it this time in 2026. Not as much as I pulled out in the past, but it is very wet. I have seen this before, just not on this machine. I saw it on our old Splendide washer dryer combo. I pulled out a lot before and it was very dry. This one's very dense, like it was stuck at the very bottom of that boot. And when you use the maintenance cycle, part of that maintenance cycle is to get the lint out of that bottom of that boot. You know, slowly the dryer took longer and longer to dry. What would normally take an hour was taking an hour and a half, then to 2 hours. And when we've seen that in the past, we've usually opened up the back vent here, cleaned it out, and everything worked as normal.